welcome back to my channel which is the Sassy Girl and welcome back to yet another exciting video on my channel। तो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है नायका हॉल पे which will be starting from ₹49। तो इस हॉल में मैंने कुछ easy beginners के लिए मेकअप मंगाया है क्योंकि I am also quite a beginner into makeup and stuff। So yeah, so stay tuned, watch till the end, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel, share, and without any further ado, let's get started now। So yeah, the number one thing which I ordered from Nykaa is, which I told already will be the cheapest of this haul, will be this lip liner। Yeah, so this is in color lip liner intense long wear lip pencil which is in the shade L24 sheer pink। So yeah, this is somewhere, I will just show you like this। So this is in color and which is MRP is 49 as it's written, no offer on this। So this color is really nice। I will just try to show to you guys if you can see, I don't know if you can see। So yeah, it's a very nice sheer pink color and kind of nude, so very today I did my lip lining with this only। So I really wanted to get my hands on very nice lip liner which is, it's very soft plus very cheap। So yeah, you can just go ahead and buy this। So I got this in two colors, one is this and one is this। So this is in L26 pretty pink, so this is kind of purplish sort of dark pink color if you can see। So it's a very nice color, very good for, and very smooth, applies very nicely and smoothly, and the color is it's very pigmented। So yeah, this is the two things I ordered for ₹49 each। And next step going to will be same intense long wear eye pencil। So this is an eye pencil same as the lip pencil, but this is just eye pencil for same ₹49। So this is blue in color, as you can see it's quite pigmented, and just one swatch and that was done। So this is an E04 denim blue color। So yeah, I really love it। I didn't try it yet but I'm going to try this soon। So for now it's very smooth, very pigmented, and I really love the color। If you go for Nykaa in same blue color eyeliner will cost you around 200 or 250 if I'm not wrong। So this one is really good deal, and yeah, really nice। So next step going to the lip color which I got this L18, this one। So this one is in 03 mauve short something, yeah, 03 shade, and this was of ₹110। This is like really nice pinkish color। So I will just show you how it is, very pigmented, very soft, if you can see, very pigmented, very soft to light, and very good for daily purpose or for all office going girls। Is very easy, very cheap, and very nice। So yeah, this is it। And so since I have ordered all these pencils sort of things, so I had to order one sharpener। Yes, so this is a Lakme sharpener, sorry, this is a Lakme dual sharpener। So it's very nice, and I guess this was, I don't remember exactly the price, so price I'll mention on the screen, but this was really cheap, and this is very nice। I've used this। So yeah, just let me open and show you guys how it is। So yeah, this is a dual sharpener, very good quality, very sturdy, and Lakme, obviously we can trust the brand, so it's very nice and definitely a great buy। So now going ahead to the next, I got an eyeshadow palette which is shimmery one। So this is Nicka K Perfect 9 color eyeshadow AP0118, AP0118। So this is in the shade AP018। So this looks like this, and this I got for ₹275 which is 50% off, MRP is 550। So yeah, it has some 700 plus reviews, so I just got this and it's really nice। Let me show you guys, the color is so amazing, if you can see, the so shimmery and so nice, like all the party or marriage or wedding stuff। So I just watch and show you one color, so you can see how pigmented it is। It's very well pigmented। So see how nice this is, it's very creamy, it's very nice। I'll just quickly show you the other one। So this is the golden one, it's very pigmented, very nice। Just quickly now go to the black one. Black one is, I love this color, see, you can see how well Sorry guys, I'm not very good in doing all this swatching. So yeah, this is a very nice eyeshadow palette for all the beginners if you want to try, and if you're learning makeup, this is like very good. And this is all shimmery, can be used as, and today I have applied this only. So please don't go and don't judge my makeup skills. I'm not great right now in makeup, but I'm learning and I'll be like very good in quite some time. So yeah, this is what I applied from this eyeshadow palette only. So this is a great deal, and for 271 you will not get anything like that. And also I forgot to say it has a brush attached to it. So yeah, it's very good. It's eyeshadow applicator is also. Okay, so moving ahead to the next eyeshadow is Nykaa Smoky 18, Smoky at 8. So this is like, I really wanted to get my hands on this for quite long, because, and this one is in the shade of Smoky. So it's a Nykaa Eyes on Me 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette, Smoky at 8, and this cost me, this MRP is $5.99, but I bought this for at least 20% off or something, so I just mixed up this screen. So this is eyeshadow. So it has 10 eyeshadow palette, if you can see, and along the brush is also attached to this. So along with the shimmery colors, this also has few matte basic colors, so you can make all the smoky eyes with the help of this. It's really nice. So let me quickly swatch and show you guys how nice it is. So can you see how like it's very smooth and very soft and like very talented. One swatch is like enough. So my favorite is this golden one. So nice. It's very nice color, very pigmented and great quality. So yeah, a must purchase. These are very good quality and really nice. So yeah. So moving on to the next, like, is I ordered a Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick range, and this was of 500 rupees, but I got some offer on this as well, so it's a good thing. And this, so okay, and this is in the shade MP19 Blush Tone. So it's really nice. Let me open and show you. Okay, I'm not able to open my around. So you can see how cute is the packaging, very classy, very small, very easy to carry. You can carry in a party, in a sling bag, in your office, or 9 to 5. It stays for very long. I have 2-3 more lipstick of 9 to 5 range. So this is a great range of Lakme, and it lasts for really long, and it's very cute, very trendy, something like this. And shade is mentioned down, and the whole MP19 threshold. So that looks something like this. It's very nice peach color. If you want to show. Oh, nice and cute. So I really like such kind of nice peach, pinkish, orange sort of shaded. So yeah, this is really nice, and I really love this. I'm looking forward to use it, but I'm not getting any opportunity as of now to use this. So yeah, this is a great and great choice. So next and the last item is, since we have bought so many eyeshadow, we need something to apply, right? So I got this brushes. Yeah, so this brushes is of Vega, and I ordered this for around 400, but actual MRP was somewhere around 600, 700. I just mentioned on the screen. And also guys, all the links will be in the description box, so if you want anything, just go and click on the link and just get it. And yeah, so these brushes, this is a kit of 6 brushes. So one is like, I'll just go quickly go through everything and just show you. So yeah, as you can see, the fur is really nice and very smooth. So first set is with the eyeshadow brush, and this is the blush brush. See, you can see how nice, and it's very soft. The fur is very soft and very nice quality. And next is this eyeshadow eye grooming. This is for your threading. Sorry, this is for your eyebrows. So this is this brush. And next step is this lip liner brush. Is very thin, very nice. So I haven't used this yet, but it's like really good. quality of this set is really nice. And next set we get is lip filler with this, so you can see how thick this is, so very good for in your lips. And next set which we get in this is eye applicator brush, so this is it. So in this total we get 6 brushes, 2 for your lips, 2 for your eyes, eye for your eyeshadow, one is the blush brush and one is for eyebrows. So very good for beginner. And if you're learning makeup like me, so just go ahead and order this, very good quality and very reasonable price of this. I'm really so that's it for this video guys. Hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends and give thumbs up to this, and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any update from my channel. So yeah, this was a Nykaa haul, cute and short and simple, and for all the people who are looking for all the beginner makeup related stuff, so you can just go ahead and get your hands on all these things. So I really find all these things very useful and very nice, and it's really helping me to learn a lot into makeup and stuff. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay beautiful. In the next set I will be coming with a lot of entertaining, lot of useful videos for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.